Introducing Oil Therapy, a repairing argan oil. This lightweight argan oil offers intense hair repair, instantly absorbing to create sleek, smooth and frizz-free hair. This product has 3 ways you can use its reparative benefits, and unlike some other oil products, Oil Therapy has no color cast on blonde hair, a light molecular weight, and will not leave hair oily. Oil Therapy can make any conditioner a treatment. Mix a small amount in with your conditioner and distribute through the hair. Leave 5 minutes and rinse out. Apply Oil Therapy evenly through towel-dried or air-dried hair before blow-drying or heat styling. It will protect the hair and nourish your hair, making it easier to style. Lastly, apply Oil Therapy on dry hair as a finisher to add additional repair benefits.